I'm Lou, and today I'm going to show you how to make this little table out of pipes and pallet wood. In parts, we'll need 1/2-inch piping, 2 18s, 14 12s, 4 4s, 4 elbows, 4 T's, 4 side outlet T's, 4 caps, a handful of pipe straps, and some shelf boards. If you want a slightly different look, use floor flanges instead of caps for feet. We'll start building our pipe structure from the top down. When you put these together, just screw them together and get them as hand tight as you can. Next, put your regular T's on both sides. Now screw this cross pipe into one side and tighten it as much as you possibly can. Now stretch these apart and pop this pipe in here. And then twist it back into this side a few turns. Now repeat this same process down here, only instead of regular T's, use these side outlet T's. Now make a second one just like it. Now screw your 18-inch pipes as tight as you can into one side. There and here. Now line the other end of the 18-inch pipes up with the other side and screw them down into there. You should now be looking like this. Now finish on the bottom with your 4-inch pipe and your foot. For the top, we need some wood that's about 16 by 22, and I had some old pallet rails, but anything will do. If you're interested, I'll post a link in the description on how to turn smooth wood like this into rustic wood like this using an electric chainsaw. I don't like the way these two bump up, so I'm going to trace around them right here and drill a divot with an 1¼ paddle bit so I get a flat fit. I laid all my top boards together upside down on a flat surface, and I'm going to put glue between them. And I'll clamp the whole thing together. We'll hold our boards down with these little straps. I used more pallet wood to make these two shelves with notched corners, and they go in this and this. And there's the final project, all done. And here it is in its final resting place as my grilling side table. Thanks for watching.